Use synthetic division to decide whether the given number k is a zero of the polynomial function. If it is not, give the value of f of k, meaning the remainder. F of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 5, where k is equal to 4 plus I. Okay, so in our problem, we can see there we have to set up the synthetic division using k as a divisor. So we have 4 plus I as the divisor. Okay, and then if the remainder is 0, then we know that k, in this case 4 plus I, is a zero of the polynomial function. So let's write our given coefficients of the polynomial. We have 1, and then we have 3, and then we have 5. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring down the 1. So 1 times 4 plus I is going to give us 4 plus I. Okay, now we do not have an I with the 3, but we can add these two numbers because these are real numbers. So 3 plus 4 is going to give us 7, and this is 7 plus I. Okay, now we need to multiply 4 plus I times 7 plus I. Okay, and the way to do that is we can do that by using the box method. So we have 4 and then I, which gives us 2 rows. And then 2 columns, we have 7 and then I. So we have 4 times 7, which is 28. And then 4 times I, which is 4I. 7 times I, which gives us 7I. And I times I, which is I squared. So we end up getting the following. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we have 28. If we combine those two, 7I plus 4I is 11I, and then plus I squared. Now remember that I squared is equal to negative 1. So therefore this becomes 28 plus 11I, and that's plus negative 1, which is the same thing as minus 1. And now we're going to combine like terms. 28 minus 1 is 27 plus 11I. So therefore, when we multiply these together, we're going to get 27 plus 11I. Okay, now that we get that when we multiply them together, now we're going to add 5 with 27. So 27 plus 5 gives us 32 plus 11I. So therefore, this is going to represent the remainder. Okay, so what does that tell us? Well, 0 is not the remainder, so therefore 32 plus 11I is the remainder. So that means we want to find out the given k is not a zero of the polynomial function, because why? Well, that means that if we find f of 4 plus I, that gives us a remainder of 32 plus 11I. And so therefore the answer is 32 plus 11I, and there is our answer.